Welcome to all interested in the Children for Hajjah program. My name is Fatima Larcon. I am in charge of the program's volunteers, so I handle direct information about the non-for-profit organization. Children for Hajjah is a non-for-profit organization based in Yemen and Australia. The aim is to eradicate a complex social issue of food insecurity for children in the rural community of Hajjah, Yemen. What's happening in Yemen? The severity of this complex social issue becomes upon statistical consideration, more than 85,000 of children have died as a result of famine in Hajjah, and 50% of children in Hajjah are unable to attend school, UNICEF 2020. Here is a map of Yemen, this is Hajjah, and different pictures of the reality now in Yemen. Our non-for-profit organization works with the second Sustainable Development Goal, that is zero hunger. Our target is increased investment in the rural infrastructure, agricultural research and extension services. Our logo is two hands holding a growing plant that represents the agricultural program. Our solution. We have two ways, the first order and the second order. In our case, our social innovation aims to adopt transformative second order types of change, Camillus 2008. SMART goals. We have three types of SMART goals. The first one is improving access to agricultural, to health, and basic financial literacy for children within a school across the Hajjah region. The second one is to secure and increase funding for investment into rural educational infrastructure. And the third one is to pilot a new initiative that mobilizes, implements, and monitors younger children to prepare basic farm plans. The logic chain. We have four parts: inputs, outputs, activity, and outcomes. The inputs. We will work directly with the FAO, Food and Agricultural Organizations of the United Nations in Yemen, and it is one of the only non-for-profit organizations that has worked extensively of long-term strategies. The funds are necessary to cover the salaries of the workers that are part of the agricultural and financial training program. Also, financial collaboration is needed for investment in rural education infrastructure. It is estimated $5 million per year. It is needed for buildings, for the programs, and the medical supplies too. The activity. We organize our activities to conclude the goal on the non-for-profit organization. First, we implement a workshop about the basic agricultural and health and financial education. We estimate 5 years the duration of this program, and it is estimated also 2 sessions per week. We want to create 6 new more classrooms to the end of this year. Outputs. The number of participants will be 20 children per group, with a volunteer who will be in charge of providing support as a tutor. The outcomes. The main result is to decrease the famine among young people in Hajjah. However, there are other results as economic independence, the creation of a small business, and improvement the quality of life. Theory of change. Children for Hajjah works directly with all and other non-for-profit organizations as Save the Children, FAO, UNICEF. The management of the funds are important, and we organize the funds into students' material as books, teachers, the personal qualified, and others. Collaborations. In relation with our collaborators and collaborations, we have identified our allies and the opponents too. So our active allies are all the non-for-profit organizations as UNICEF, World Food Program, Save the Children's, Oxfam, Yemen Microfinance Networks. The passive allies are New Zealand government, United States, England, Australian government. They help us to the international politics and relationships. The neutral are police, local government of Hajjah. The clients are the children because the program is for them. The education program is based on the programs and growth of children's knowledge. The passive opponents are Houthi rebels, Al Qaeda. The active opponents are the Emirati governments, Southern movement. In conclusion, we are working with all the sectors because we have one principal goal, that is reduce the hunger in Hajjah. Also, we invite us to continue to collaborate with donation, and we are also looking for volunteers, so if you are interested, write to us to this email. Thanks a lot for the attention.